Okay, I've taken this part of the valve out in order to demonstrate that we have plenty of water pressure. So we're going to turn the water on and a bunch of water is going to gush out of here. Okay, so I put the valve back together. There's the little handle. Now if you come around to the back, I've disconnected it from the shower. And you can see right here, the water just comes right out here and out this pipe.
Oh yeah?
Turn it on. And that's all the water we get. Here we can see how the faucets keep leaking for about 20 seconds even after the water's been turned off. The problem's not a leaky faucet, it's just that the water in the horizontal pipe continues to dribble out for about 20 seconds after the water's turned off.